This video is the ultimate guide to get the best Instagram feed layout on your site like this, which looks premium, has all the features like a display picture, username, load more button, and a follow button, so that if someone clicks on it, they will be redirected to your Instagram page. It's super simple and we will do all of this in just 5 minutes. Now, the 3 most popular plugins to add Instagram to your website are FTS, WP Zoom, and Spotlight. Let's quickly discuss the pros and cons of each. With FTS, you can share posts from all the social media platforms on your site. The only con is that it does not provide any kind of feed customization, which is pretty bad. WP Zoom does offer multiple feed layouts, but if you want basic features like load more button, responsive feed, and multiple Instagram accounts, then you need to buy a pro plan. Spotlight allows you to display various styles of feeds and cool customization options for free, which is enough for beginners. It also provides cool add-ons for small e-commerce sites and agencies like shoppable post, insights on how your feed is performing, how many clicks your posts are getting, and more. So, now that we are clear that we'll be using Spotlight, let's start the process of adding Instagram feed on your site. You need a website builder called Elementor. So on the WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New Plugins, and look for Elementor. Here it is. Let's install and activate it. Next, search for Spotlight. Again, install and activate it. Once done, I'll go here on the Instagram feeds and click Feeds. Now it shows me a variety of feed options, but I will choose my Instagram posts from here and click Next. Here I need to choose a template which I want to integrate on my site. I like this template, so I'll go with this one. Click Connect and Customize button, and it gives me a demo of the feed I chose. But to see how my post will look in this layout, I'll go to the right and click this button. It gives me a pop-up where I need to enter my Instagram account details. I'll quickly do that, and voila! It's connected. Now, this is how the feed will look on my website. And on the top, go to Design. On the right, under Layout, I can modify the layout to show a grid of 2x6. Next, to make sure our latest post is visible, I will choose the most recent post from this drop-down. In the feed header, I'll change the custom bio text to Shop here. I can enable or disable the follow button from here and change the text from here. I'll also enable load more to display older posts too. Okay, let's save this. I'll go here and rename it like this and click Save. Now, if you want different layouts for different pages, you can repeat the previous steps and create multiple feeds. To see a list of all the feeds on the WordPress dashboard, go here and click Feeds, and you'll see the list. Now, the next step is to make this feed live on our site by using Elementor. But before that, we need to install one more free plugin called Elif to make sure that our feed doesn't get stuck behind loading screen and your visitors might bounce off because of that. So I will go to this website. I'll put my website URL here, click continue, and then Elif does everything that your site needs for a 90+ score, like caching, image optimization, a good CDN, lazy loading, and everything else. That's why you don't need to use multiple plugins for performance anymore. Just Elif is enough. The exciting part is that it also does a lot of extra stuff that no one else does. Like, all speed plugins will optimize your images, but Elif will go even further by resizing them to fit all kinds of screens like mobile, tablets, etc. This is not the end. There are many other cool features as well, and that's why most people get a 90+ score in the first go. And in the rare occurrence that you don't, you just need to ping the support here and they will take care of it. Now, let's move on to the next step. Next, on the sidebar, I'll go to Pages and then click Edit with Elementor. Now, I will scroll down and this is where I want to display my Instagram feed. On the left side, I'll look for Spotlight. Here it is. Simply drag and drop it like this. It selects my default feed. But if you have created multiple feeds and want to change it, just go to the left and change it from this drop down. Now, to save this customization, I'll go down here and click Update. Now, to see how it looks on my page, I'll click the eye sign to preview the page. I'll scroll down and here is my Instagram feed. Besides this, I'll also show you some hidden tricks to customize the feed template even further with the help of CSS. Let's say you want to add rounded corners and shadow to the grid. To do this, go to the description and click this link and it will take you to this page. I'll go here and copy this custom code on the WordPress dashboard. Go to Feeds and click on the template. On the top bar, go to Design, scroll to the Custom CSS section and paste the code here. Pretty cool, right? In this 3-minute video, I'll show you a free plugin to triple your site speed. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.